Good morning, guys. It is Monday, the 26th of March. It's just about 7 o'clock in the morning. Myself and Ava have been up for about half an hour now. And I'm going to do a day in the life today. Here's little Miss Ava. She had her birthday party yesterday. You can see from the balloons on the wall. She turned 2 on the 22nd, Thursday. So we had just a little party. So it was basically just my parents, Robert's parents, his granny, his brother and sister, his brother's girlfriend, and then 2 friends and their baby. My brother and sister couldn't come, they were working. So yeah, I had a couple of people here. I do have like a little bit of footage of like prep for the party, and also Ava like blowing out her balloons and stuff, blowing out her candles. So hopefully I will have worked them into a vlog before you've seen this. But yeah, we're doing a day in the life today, so I hope that you enjoy it. Is that the balloon? You eating a strawberry? Strawberries and balloons. Ugh, so it is 9:15. So when Robert got out of bed for work, see, I got up because Robert obviously has to work. So when he got up and get ready for work, I went in. Excuse me. I went in and I lay down. I didn't go to sleep, and it was the worst thing I could have done. I'm so groggy now. Ava, I just gave her my phone. I'll have to take it off for now in a few minutes. She's had her breakfast, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then we're gonna go out because it's a nice day out today. Were you singing?
Welcome. Relax and enjoy your holiday. Have a nice day. Yay.
Does anybody else get dressed really late in the day, or is it just me? Like some days I'd get up straight away and get dressed, but most days I just like hanging around in my pajamas for a little bit, Ava in her pajamas for a little bit, until we're about ready to go out. Then I do the whole let's get ready hustle, you know. I just had my breakfast. It was delicious, and hopefully it fills me for a good amount of time. I'm trying to eat less these days, as in not snack as much, because when I'm snacking, I'm ended up snacking on junk. So I need to go. What the plan is today, I don't really have much of a plan, except for we need to go to like the park so Ava can like run around, and I will chance the playground, I'm thinking. And I'll bring a towel just in case everything is damp from the night. But it is Easter break here, so I'm assuming there will be lots of kids. And I do need to go to the shops and buy some fruit. And I've already gone over on my budget for the food. And I know, very long time ago I used to always do budget updates and let you guys know what we're doing for the month and how we're spending our money for the month. And while I still love watching those videos, I'm just not as comfortable sharing it anymore, because more people in my personal life now look at my videos or are liable to look at my videos. I don't really want to share that kind of personal information and let them know how much we have to survive on for the month. But I'm not quite sure how I can share some of it. Like I want to share like the budget side of things, because I really enjoyed it, you know. If you have any suggestions below of how I can do that without oversharing, let me know in the comments, or if there's any specific part that you want to know, what baby step on the Dave Ramsey plan, how we are with our savings, how we do on our grocery budget every week. Like I could probably do that, like a grocery one or sinking funds type one. So let me know in the comments below if you are interested in anything like that. So I'm back from out. Went to the park. You've seen I have some footage of that. And then I went to Tesco's and I got some fruit. Fruit is just so expensive, isn't it? I would love if we had like a market where I can pick my own fruit instead of it coming pre-packaged in plastic, because half of that plastic that it comes in can't even be recycled. So it's just sitting in our landfills for all those years. And now Ava is asleep. It is roasting in here, so I'm just gonna open the door. As you can see, the birthday bit of that balloon banner fell down. So fix that. But first, if you are a follower of this channel and you've looked at my other day in the life videos, you'll know that once Ava is asleep, I do 3 things. 1, make myself a cup of tea. 2, make myself some food. And 3, edit a video. So right now, I'm gonna edit a video first. It is 12:05 and I need to edit today's video because I haven't done it. I need to edit and upload. Let's go. So that is finally exporting. So if you see this little up here, that means that it's exporting off my editor thing. It is now 10 to 1 and I am hungry. I'm just gonna have like a fruit salad and yogurt for my lunch. Let's get to that. So here's a question for you guys. What's your favorite fruit? I've just been thinking about it. I love pineapple. And for a couple of years there, whenever I ate pineapple, my tongue would get really like tingly. So I was convinced I was allergic to it. I mean, I still kept eating it. So I think I've overcome that because it doesn't happen anymore now. But let me know below, what's your favorite fruit? I also, but they're not in season here yet, love nectarines. Love nectarines. So the video is now live and Ava's still asleep. So it's been 2 hours since she fell asleep. It is 2:05. I don't let her sleep more than after 3 o'clock. So if she doesn't wake up before then, I will be making sure I go to wake her up. So in the meantime, I've had a cup of tea, I've uploaded my video, I've had my lunch, and now I'm just having a bit of a snack. So these, I found these hula hoop puffed, they're really nice. So like normal hula hoops, except for they're more kind of like air now. It's hard to see because it wants to focus on my face, but they're really nice, and they're 72 calories. If you're into that sort of thing, counting your calories. 15 grams or 15 gram bag, you get a good amount. So I think I'll just sit here and relax and just take a load off until Ava wakes up. Ava is awake. She's now eating some food. Yeah, eating some food. Eating some toast and cheese and strawberries and blueberries. Say hello. Hello, Ava. So she slept until 20 to 3. So she slept for nearly 3 hours. She obviously needed it. So I'm not really sure what the plan is for the rest of the day. I do want to buy a new George Foreman grill, and the one we have is years old and everything burns on it, and the coating, the non-stick coating is coming off, and we definitely need a new one. It's not great. So we do have a voucher that we can spend in some of the electrical stores, so I may just hop in the car and drive over. It's about 15-20 minutes away from me, to 2 stores, Harvey Norman's and Power City, and see what the selection is. I don't want to spend a massive amount on it. Yeah, sure, we'll see. I think that's what I'll do though. Once she finishes eating, change nappy, I'll change my top and back into going out clothes. And then I think we'll head over and I'll try to record some bits. I always forget when I'm out. It's a bit awkward as well. So I'm sure these vlogs are extremely boring, but this is exactly my life, you know? So yeah. Let me know if you find this boring, or if you're not really interested in viewing these, or you find them the same, you know. Let me know. I won't be offended, honestly. We are back, and being the amazing vlogger I was, I didn't vlog when I was out. So I bought this. This is the one I bought to replace our old one, and the reason I bought it was because you can melt stuff on it. And our grill or in our oven doesn't work. So we're always stuck when it comes to like melting things on top of things and so forth and so on. So yeah, it will do. It will just replace our old one. They seem to last us for a good while, and we do like George Foreman grills. So we'll see how we go with this one. Eva is just having a bit of a snack. It is 4:20, so it's nearly time for me to make dinner. So yeah, right now I'm going to clean up because I haven't washed the dishes all day. It's a bit messy, and over here is a bit messy. So I'm just going to clean those 2 areas and then probably play with Ava for a little bit and then get the dinner started. So this is cleaned down now, and I'm just admiring my tulips. I love tulips, like so good. $2.99 in Aldi. So nice.
Dad? Yeah. Okay.
Do you like that song? Yes. He tried to say hello, doesn't it? Hello. You can jump.
Mama.
Now let's jump. Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Whee!
Great, you've worked it out.
Yeah. I got it. 2, 3, jump! You messing? You telling a story? You gonna tell a story? Say hello. Hello. Oh, he's drinking. Oh, is that a nice drink? Nice drink? Yum yum. Say 2. 1, 2. Mwah! So that is my video today, guys. I'm just eating my dinner. Ava is stealing my dinner and putting ketchup all over me. Stop. So I hope you enjoyed today's day in the life. I asked you a whole load of questions that I need a whole load of comments from. So if you're gonna answer them, please do in the comments below. I do have a blog for you to check out as well. I do have different content to what I put on here on YouTube. So make sure that you check that out, or irishfarmy.com. And then finally, follow me on Instagram. I am pretty active on Instagram. If you want to get a little insight into mine and Ava's day on the day-to-day basis, check that out. And I think that is it. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.